Hello, welcome to another video on our channel. I believe that, like me, you will love today's recipe. Both carrots and lemons are super healthy, nutritious ingredients packed with properties that can provide many benefits to our bodies. Carrots are a nutrient-rich food with few calories, perfect for easily adding to our daily diet. They contain a lot of fiber that helps improve intestinal transit and increase the feeling of satiety, which is perfect for controlling hunger and aiding in weight loss. By adding lemon to carrots, we are enhancing the diuretic and thermogenic action, which helps reduce body swelling and localized fat, especially in the belly region. In addition, it provides energy and vitality for daily activities, combating sedentary lifestyles. This lemon and carrot juice is rich in properties that help with good detoxification of our bodies, eliminating toxins. Its antioxidant properties also help strengthen the immune system and combat possible damage caused by free radicals, preventing diseases such as flu and colds. In addition to being a juice that helps maintain good skin health, preventing premature aging, it also strengthens nails and hair. Another benefit of this lemon and carrot juice is related to heart health, as it is rich in potassium, an important nutrient for maintaining sodium levels in our bodies and preventing high blood pressure. In addition, the juice is effective in helping control cholesterol levels in the blood and preventing the accumulation of fats in our arteries, contributing to good heart health and preventing cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. The combination of carrots and lemons is a way to help regulate the internal pH of our bodies. When consumed regularly, this juice helps remove excess acidity from our bodies, aiding in the fight against excess uric acid, one of the causes of joint pain and inflammation in our bodies. Finally, this carrot and lemon juice is one of the healthy options that I love to add to my daily routine, for the various benefits it provides. To prepare it, peel the carrot and cut it into small pieces to facilitate preparation, taking advantage of the peel to increase the fiber content. Add everything to a blender with filtered water and mint, optional, and blend for about 3 minutes. Ready. Enjoy the benefits of this delicious and nutritious juice. See you soon.